Caseworkers face numerous challenges daily, from overwhelming demands for assistance to navigating intricate compliance rules. The mounds of paperwork consume valuable time and sometimes prevent caseworkers from efficiently serving clients in a timely manner. Fortunately, a game-changing solution is on the horizon. SAHelp revolutionizes the application for assistance process and fundamentally transforms caseworkers' methods. SAHelp offers various advantages that streamline workflows and enhance productivity. SAHelp's simplified intake process empowers applicants to actively participate in their applications. With a user-friendly interface, SAHelp makes it effortless to answer critical questions, saving time and accelerating progress. SAHelp gives you the ability to reach more people in your community. For applicants, the burden of visiting the office for in-person meetings can be overwhelming. It disrupts work schedules, requires childcare arrangements, and incurs transportation expenses. And while the Salvation Army enhances the lives of a great many individuals that are able to make their way to an Army facility, a great many more are not always able to make the childcare arrangements, navigate the bus or transit schedules, or take the time away from their employment to meet face-to-face. SAHelp solves this challenge with its video and chat features. Caseworkers can efficiently handle multiple cases simultaneously and interact with applicants in real time. From responding to inquiries to submitting documents, everything can be conveniently done online. Our cutting-edge platform automates repetitive tasks and eliminates the need for manual data entry, giving caseworkers precious time to focus on the needs of their clients. We understand the constant challenge of staying up to date with grant guidelines and procedures. That's why SAHelp integrates compliance features that guide caseworkers through necessary steps, ensuring adherence to the latest protocols. Our platform provides peace of mind, knowing that caseworkers are always in line with grant regulations. SAHelp does this all while supporting the mission of the Salvation Army. By fully utilizing SAHelp's robust integrated chat and video interactivity, caseworkers can enhance the Army's mission even more by reaching out and counseling those most in need, all from their office to do the most good. With SAHelp, caseworkers can access a centralized platform for efficient case management. No more endless document searches or struggling to find vital information. Everything is organized and easily accessible, enhancing productivity and effectiveness. Discover the transformative power of SAHelp. This formidable platform boosts efficiency, delivers significant cost savings, and betters social service operations. By simplifying processes, SAHelp benefits both clients and the Salvation Army. With SAHelp as your trusted ally, caseworkers can conquer challenges, save time, reduce cost, ensure effortless compliance, and further the mission of the Salvation Army. Unleash the potential of SAHelp for a new level of efficiency and effectiveness. To empower your caseworkers in providing essential aid to those in need, contact Data Paradigm today.